SLA is a great choice when you're looking for aesthetically pleasing parts that are also dimensionally accurate. There is no layer lines like you would get on a FDM part, and it's because of its dimensional accuracy. It's good for proving a design before you go to hard tooling. Here at Palmer Design, we actually have a lot of different SLA printing materials, a great choice from different colours, different hardnesses, flexibility. So you might ask why we don't use SLA for all the time, since it is aesthetically pleasing and dimensionally accurate. The reason is that it's quite expensive, relatively speaking, compared to FDM. Also, the materials, although they are very robust in the short term, over the long term they do degrade and become brittle. So this is one of the main reasons SLA is still not mainstream for end use parts.